Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you don't know, most of the content on this channel is a review or walkthrough guide of cool tech stuff, a lot of which I sell locally or at watchandgadget.com. Now let's talk about this cool new product, the B12 Plus watch. It's like its little brother, except it's got a full touch screen. So if you're familiar with the B12, now you got it with a full swipe touch screen. The watch pairs with your phone through Bluetooth and with the help of an app called the Fit app, available from either the Apple or Android Play Store. The setup is pretty simple. Be sure Bluetooth on your phone is on and turn the watch on. Open the app, set up a profile, then click allow the notifications so the watch and app can send and receive notifications, text messages, phone calls, and so on. At the top of the app, just tap on the to add button and the watch should be found through Bluetooth. Tap on the watch when it appears and the app now shows everything it can do. Track steps, sleep, heart rate, and so on. You use the app to customize the watch faces and to choose what apps sends notifications to the watch. To charge the watch, just be sure the charging clip makes contact with the connectors on the back. The other end of the charger clips into a standard USB connector to plug into a charging plug.